Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the M3u8 file and any reference segment files. This is essential because the playlist points to everything. Once done, install FFmpeg or a simple HLS downloader. You need a tool that understands HLS playlists. Make sure you can reach remote URLs from your machine. If segments use relative paths, keep them with the playlist. These first actions prevent errors later and let you run the first merge command immediately. Now run the core process. Feed the M3u8 to FFmpeg and write to an MP4 or MKV. This merges segments and fixes container metadata. If you prefer manual control, download the TS pieces, confirm their sequence numbers, then concatenate them in order before remuxing. Pay attention to codecs. If audio or video codecs are incompatible, remuxing may fail, transcode as needed. Once merging completes, inspect the output duration and keyframe alignment to ensure a smooth finish by testing the resulting file in multiple players to confirm playback, seeking, and audio sync. This proves the merge succeeded. If something goes wrong, look back at the playlist for missing segments, incorrect URLs, or sequence gaps. These are the most common issues. Use FFmpeg logs to identify codec or container errors, retry downloads for corrupted segments, and when needed transcode to a stable codec. With these checks, you'll resolve most failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.